one.
Hey gang, it's me, and I'm standing here in the middle of a enclosed building. And as you can see, all the skylights there and tin roof. Kutztown, Pennsylvania, folks, the home of the Kutztown Antique Radio swap meet that happens twice a year. This is the full swap meet of 10, and I'm out here with all my models. I'm out here with my friend Rich. This is K2RMS, and some of our radios and some of our stuff we're trying to sell. And if you look around, I'll show you a little bit more that Mrs. Radio, while I walked around with the camera and took some pictures of radios, so you'll see all that. And I'm just standing here selling my tubes. So enjoy the video, and you'll see, maybe you'll see a radio that your parents and grandparents had. Catch you later. Bye. Okay.
What kind of camera is it, by the way?
Sony.
This way.